HNJ-7000. HNJ-7000 medical equipment for hospital use is the most up-to-date equipment to provide patients with chances to work out their pelvic floor muscles by adopting pressure to them through the sensor, which is located in the center of chair, to sense the change of pelvic floor muscle contraction against the physical pressure, and it shows the information on the computer screen. The way how to use it as follows. First, wear the belt tightly to locate the sensor on your lower abdomen and take a seat far in the corner. If you have never used it before, please press the new patent button on the upper left side of the screen. Enter your ID, name, height, and weight on the pop-up coming on and press Register button on the bottom. And if you have used it before, please click your name on the left side of the screen. And then choose a mode you want in the middle of the screen. There are several modes, including Training Contraction mode to restore your pelvic floor muscle, Exam Strength mode to check the strength of your pelvic floor muscle, Training Pushing mode to allow the patients of constipation to relax their pelvic muscles, and Exam Pressure mode to monitor the strength of sphincter after inserting a probe to vagina as the other existing way. After selecting what you want, please click the Start button above it. And please, don't move after sitting comfortably. Then, the sensor in the middle of the chair sticks out and applies pressure to your pelvic floor muscle for an optimum exercising condition. Next is a mode to check your intra-abdominal pressure. Please hold strongly your lower abdomen to the line graph at the bottom of the screen. Please hold in your stomach to the increasing point and relax it to the decreasing one. This is a preparation for more accurate training. Checking the correlation between the intra-abdominal pressure and the strength of pelvic floor muscle. Next is the main part of training. Please hold in your pelvic muscle with all your strength, like holding your urine to the displayed graph on the top. At this moment, be careful not to hold in your stomach. On the left side of the screen, there are level bars from 1 to 20. If you have trouble in holding in your muscle to the given graph, please choose a lower level. Or, if it is easy for you, level up and you will get the optimal treatment. It will be better to choose a little bit higher level because you should apply a strain to your stomach as much as you can. This is today's result. It is a page to show you how effectively you worked out today and the whole exercise patterns. If you get a higher figure in the strength of pelvic floor muscle in blue, it is good. In contrast, the lower the figure of intra-abdominal pressure is, the better the result is. If you want to see the final results, please press Close button. This is the final results. It is a page to show you the whole information, including exercise result and the increasing amount of the strength of your pelvic floor muscle. Except for the green graph of intra-abdominal pressure, the higher they are, the better the results are. In addition, Exam Strength mode, located in the center of the main page, is there to check the strength of pelvic floor muscles. And it is similar to the way to use Training Contraction mode. Also, Training Pushing mode makes the patients of constipation extend their pelvic floor muscles, and it aims at training the patients to empty their bowels by applying pressure to their lower abdomen and relaxing their pelvic muscles to the given graph. Exam Pressure is a mode to measure pressure by inserting a probe to a female patient's vagina. If you are a beginner, let air carefully go into the inserted balloon with a hand pump until it makes you feel enough. If you feel the air is enough inside, please press the next button at the bottom of the screen. And if you already measured the pressure of your vagina, adjust the air pressure with the hand pump to match up the setting pressure in the center of the screen with the initial pressure, and then press the next button at the bottom. The rest of the pages is similar to training contraction mode. Also, there are different function buttons in the main page. The Modify is a button to modify the wrong information about a patient. The Delete is a button to delete the selected patient's information completely. The Report is a button to move to the final result page for the selected patient. The Remove is a button to delete only the information of the selected date. The Setting is a page to adjust some data such as using time, sound on, off, etc. Please follow the above directions and use it under the optimal condition referring to the manual.